When I first started doing videos, first of all, they sucked. They were embarrassing, but at least I did it. I got over my fear and I got over my insecurities because I was terrified of public speaking. I got over that. And then years and years and years later, I started doing videos, even though I was scared and had no idea what I was going to talk about. But I wanted to generate leads. I wanted to build a following. I wanted to connect with like-minded people. And I can tell you, video has been the #1 most powerful way for us to connect with people, generate leads, build an audience, build a network. And I really want to help you either overcome your fear of doing video or help you be more strategic. Because here's the thing, the days of just posting before and afters and being very promotional, being very salesy in your content, those days are over. Now, it's less duplicatable to be salesy, to be an infomercial for your company. Like, how many of us follow people because you love how much they're pitching you on their products? How many of you follow people and you follow accounts because you just love how often they're selling you crap? Really think about this, because I want you to start thinking like a marketer and not a consumer. I want you to start thinking like a boss, like a business owner, and have that CEO mentality that we always talk about versus thinking like a consumer, a customer. You don't want to just consume content. Like right now you're consuming my content, which is cool, but I would get more excited if you turned around and used this content to create your own content. That's why I'm doing this, because I want to lead with value. In fact, write down the 3 E's. We talk about this all the time: entertain, empower, or educate. Education is the highest form of sales. So some of the accounts you probably follow, they educate you, they inspire you, they encourage you, they're vulnerable, they keep it real, they're authentic, they have a great sense of humor maybe. Funny equals money, write that down. So if you're funny, utilize your assets. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're funny, be funny. If you've got great stories, you're a great storyteller, awesome. The amateur marketers out there, the people that get like the worst engagement, typically they're either very salesy or they're just super boring. Rule #1 when it comes to content creation, don't be boring. Now I know some of you are going to say, wait, I am boring. Stop it. You're not freaking boring. You don't need to be like low key and quiet in your videos and talk super slow and blah, blah, blah. Like get to the point, bring some energy, put on your energy, your face, let me say it like this. We always say like, you're excited, tell your face. Tell your freaking face you're excited. You have to be you times 2. So you got to put your face on. You know what I'm saying? You got to put that like that energy, that enthusiasm into your video, into your content, because people are freaking bored and they're going to scroll right past your video. In fact, I probably just got some swipes. It is what it is. It's okay, baby. Like you just got to do your thing and be okay with sucking at video in the beginning. Embrace the suck. But I got to tell you, today, it's more important than ever to have that know, like, and trust. In fact, a lot of the leaders that we've attracted over the years, a lot of the people that we work with today, a lot of the people we've enrolled in our business today, they found us through our video content. It was a piece of content, it was a post, it was a video, it was some form of content, marketing, by the way, that is marketing, that we created, that they saw, that caught their attention, and they followed. They sent a friend request, they sent a DM, and one thing led to another. And maybe after weeks, maybe after months, maybe after years, they bought our product or they joined our business or they bought one of our academies, like our ATM Academy. But I can tell you, it's made a huge impact. It's made a huge impact on our business over the years. It's probably the reason we were the #1 recruiters in our entire organization all of last year because of videos. Now, it could be Reels, it could be TikTok, it could be you doing a video in your Instagram or Facebook story. But I got to tell you, it could be YouTube videos, but I got to tell you, still my favorite is live videos. One of the first things I'd recommend for all of you, if you're not doing this already, I'd recommend it, using ChatGPT to come up with ideas, to come up with different topics. And you can ask ChatGPT, just like Google, any question you want. You will be surprised by some of the responses. It's pretty incredible. But the point is, you could start using ChatGPT to come up with ideas and, answer the most common questions. Like, how many of you hear the same questions or objections over and over again? That should be a light bulb moment. If you're thinking like a marketer, you say, okay, that's a light bulb moment. I need to create a piece of content answering that question, overcoming that objection. So when it comes to video, and again, live video is my favorite, I would recommend you go live every day for at least 14 days, maybe even 30 days. Challenge yourself. Do it with your teammates. Even if it's just a 5-minute live video every day for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever. So what you want to do before you go live, make sure you have a clear idea of what you're going to talk about. Like maybe jot down some bullet points, just like I did here. Okay. I have bullet points so I can keep myself, on the right path, because sometimes I can be all over the place. But I would definitely plan out your content ahead of time. Just write down like 3 to 5 bullet points, put together some ideas, what you want to talk about. I also think it's a good idea to promote your live video. So as an example, when we have a new social marketer join the team, we teach them to do a live video, going live, sharing their story, talking about why they're taking on this new endeavor, why they're excited. And again, it doesn't have to be a long video. They don't have to explain anything. We teach them not to say the name of the company because 2 reasons. 1, we want them to control the conversation. So if you go live and you say, oh, I just joined ABC company, here's the problem. If you're posting the name of the company, people can just look it up on their own. They can Google the company and maybe they actually do have interest in the company and they end up buying from someone else, joining someone else that they found through, searching on YouTube or Google, and you just lost a lead. So you want to be able to not just generate sales, but you want to attract leads and control the conversation, because all sales really is, it's conversations. The point of creating content is to attract people to you and create more conversations. So you get more likes, more comments, more follows, more friend requests. You get people watching your stories, paying attention to you, and then you got to pay attention to the people that are paying attention to you and create those conversations, build those relationships, pop the freaking question. Ask them if they're open to making money online, monetizing their social media, supplementing their income, replacing their income, firing their boss, getting healthy, getting wealthy. You got to ask the questions, but you can't expect people to know you, like you, and trust you if they never see you, if they land on your Facebook account and they don't know what you're all about. They don't see any videos. They don't see your face. Does that make sense? They have to get to know you. Why would they buy from you? Why would they join you? So when you go live, maybe you want to relaunch your business. Maybe you're launching your business and you're brand new. Tell a story. Talk about why you're excited, why you chose this product, why this company. Keep it short, keep it brief, have energy and enthusiasm. Again, be you times 2. Make some bold freaking statements in your video, but don't say the name of the company. You want to give them just enough information. You want to keep that like open loop so they have to reach out to you and find out what's the company, what's the product, what is that belly blaster stuff, what's that Botox in a bottle, what's that spoon stuff all about? What's that social retail thing you're doing? What's that money-making thing you're doing? They have to ask you that question to close the loop. You want to be the preview to the movie. Don't freaking ruin the movie. You understand? That's how you sell without selling. That's how you build that know, like, and trust. That's how you build credibility. You need to pay attention to the questions you're getting, and then you can create content answering those questions. How do you know you're creating quality content? When people start to thank you. When they comment, thank you for sharing your story. Thank you for sharing that insight. Thank you for being vulnerable. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for showing up every day and being a positive light in my news feed. Whatever. The point is, when people start thanking you, that's how you know you're on the right page. So start showing up with videos. Start, smiling and bringing the energy, bringing the joy, all the things. And again, that will duplicate within your team. I'm telling you, it's so important to encourage people to do video. The people that are struggling are not doing the videos, or their videos are very salesy and promotional. They're just selling, and nobody's buying because they don't know them. They don't trust them. They don't look at them as a person that actually wants to help. It looks like someone that wants to help themselves. And I talked about this in one of my recent trainings about being a go-giver and giving value and that law of reciprocity. And that's really the distinction between the people that are winning on social media and the people that are on the struggle bus, okay? They're being a go-giver and not just a taker. Also, try to come up with catchy titles. Try to come up with controversial topics. I would write that down. That's always, again, you want to have a goal of not being boring. And obviously, my trainings, sometimes they're a little boring. Sometimes my posts, they get crickets. So even at my level, I still get the tumbleweeds. And I'm like, okay, that's not a topic people are interested in. And then there's other times where I do a video or I do a post and it explodes. So that tells me, I make a mental note like, okay, that's a topic people want me to talk more about. That's something I should do more posts and more videos about because people are interested in it. So you need to start paying attention to that. In fact, at the end of every week, you should make notes of all the posts and all the videos that you did, you know, the ones that did well and the ones that didn't do so well, so you know what to do more of and what to do less of. Also, you always want to have a call to action. Now, let me be clear. A call to action is a little different in my book. So what some people think a call to action is like, hit me up if you want this product. Hit me up if you want the deal. I'm not saying you can never do that, but keep in mind that if you're doing posts and you say, hit me up, or, you know, drop a flame emoji if you're interested in this product, whatever, it comes off as salesy. A better call to action is to ask questions in your videos. Smash the heart button, drop a comment if you've ever experienced this, or right, you're getting that engagement. You're getting people to engage with your post. You can say, hey, listen, if you have questions about what I covered, write this down. If you have questions about what I covered in this video, feel free to send me a message. If you have any questions, send me a message. Why? Because you're getting people to inbox you. Those are some of your best leads. Also, make sure you are responding to comments after your video. In fact, you can even do this a day or two later to keep the video at the top of the news feed, responding to comments on your reels. I mean, it just makes sense to engage with the people that are engaging with you. Look at some of your past content that did well and do more videos and more content revolving around those topics, those ideas. Start with ILT, invest, learn, teach. Invest time into learning something, turn around and teach it. Maybe you're learning about ChatGPT and you think, oh, this stuff is like all new to me. I don't know anything. Look, you know more than the people that aren't using it. Let me give you an example. If I had a flat tire and I'm pulled over on the side of the road and you pulled over to help me and you say, hey, John, I want to help you. But honestly, dude, I've only changed a flat tire once. I didn't go to school to change tires. I'm not a tire changing expert by any means, but I have done it once. One time. That's it. Do you want me to help you? What do you think I would say? If I have a flat tire and I've never done it before and you've done it once, I would say, hell yes, please help me. Do you understand? Stop thinking or overthinking your content creation. You're not doing videos that I'm going to watch. I'm not going to watch your videos. I'm not doing videos for Eric Worre. I'm not doing videos for Ray Higdon. I'm not doing videos so that I can teach people that already know this stuff. Obviously, I'm teaching this stuff to those of you that struggle with video, that know you need to do video, that know you would, listen, if you hate money and you hate growth and you hate to have any more leads in your inbox, don't do videos. But if you would like those things, then you need to show up on camera.